I am absolutely stoked with the direction that Energy is going, where we're going, because we are becoming a company that people look to and they want to replicate that. Outside of the industry, other companies are looking at Energy and Microvellum and this whole move and this scaling, and they want to replicate that in their own businesses because they see how incredible it's working and how much impact we've made in the industry.
I feel proud to be in Energy because I feel like I have my contribution in shaping how the product looks like and how we work with the development team. There is no challenge we cannot attack and win.
Our main technique for getting ready to revolutionize the woodworking industry is coming down to, we're aiming at being a one-stop shop company. We've got your ERP, we can manage your factory. We've got your CAD cam, so we can make the G-code and we can make the dust on the machine. And we can assist solving one of your biggest bottlenecks, shop drawings. We'll have a service for that as well. We're not just relying on people power, we're embracing all forms of technologies. And if there's any company that makes it happen and gets it done, it's Energy.